Hello, viewers and subscribers. Yesterday, I purchased this Rage RC Micro T-28 Trojan RC airplane from a Hobbytown, USA in Waco, Texas. And I will be doing the unboxing tonight in this video. And here we go for the unboxing of this Rage RC Micro T-28 Trojan. Okay. Here's the tray with the plane and all the good stuff from the box. Okay. And the box is the instruction manual for the aircraft. And also you get some of these Rage RC stickers or decals, whatever you call them. Still trying to figure out how to get this plane off the tray. Oh! Okay, yeah, there's this foam thing that goes right here to keep the plane intact to the tray. There's this other foam kind of board, or whatever you call these, blocks or whatever, foam blocks. This other one that's actually taped that I need to remove to get the plane off the tray completely. Okay. So yeah, I got this one off now. Here's the airplane out of the box right now. Yeah, let's take a good look at that airplane. Yeah. Okay. Oh, on the bottom of the tray, there's the transmitter. Here's the transmitter right here. So yeah, this plane is RTF, by the way. Yeah, okay. On the bottom of this tray, we got our we do get 2 spare propellers. That's one nice thing. In the kit, we get the USB charger for the included flight battery. We also have the landing gears for the airplane. We also have a Phillips head screwdriver as well in the kit. And also these small Phillips screws as well. Yeah. Also see that in the kit, the flight battery is already sitting in the airplane from, being shipped to the stores from the factory. Yeah. See the battery It is a 1S 3.7 volt 400 milliamp hour LiPo battery with this Molex plug. I think it's called a Molex 2.0 millimeter connector, or the mini low-C connector. And yeah, this plug is just like what I have for the Andromeda Kodo quadcopter. Yeah. I hope you viewers and subscribers enjoyed the unboxing video of this micro RC T-28. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.